Today, we're diving into the world of skincare with the Filterbaby Skincare Filter 2.0, a revolutionary bathroom sink filter designed to elevate your skincare routine. This complete starter kit comes with everything you need for easy installation in under 5 minutes, including a filter with a 3-month supply, 4 aerator keys, an adapter key, and 10 faucet adapters, making it compatible with most round aerator faucets. Clinically tested and proven, the Filterbaby removes 99.9% of chlorine and chloramine, filtering contaminants as small as 0.1 microns to ensure safer, cleaner water for your skin. Users have reported visible skin benefits in just 2 weeks, such as decreased breakouts, increased moisture, improved radiance, and reduced irritation. Designed by healthcare professionals, this filter not only provides long-lasting performance but also promotes healthier skin for everyone by enhancing skin hydration. With effortless installation and maintenance, the Filterbaby Skincare Filter 2.0 is your go-to solution for optimizing your water for the best skincare results. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.